Hi everyone, my name is Dr. Ed Lowe and I practice in Vancouver, British Columbia up in Canada, and I'm here today at the Chicago Midwinter Show at the Axis Dental booth, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit today about the Soft-Core Endodontic Obturators, and I'm going to be going through what's available in the kit, how I use it, how it works in my practice, and give a little demo on how easy it is to use. One of the things I like about this product when it was first introduced to me in 2005 was how simple it was and how easy it is to use. Let's talk about what we would do to obturate a single canal. For example, let's pretend that you have finished and cleaned and shaped the canal. It's looking nice and clean with whatever system you do. One of the things I find that is really important is the cleaning and shaping. It is absolutely imperative that you do a great job of cleaning and shaping the canal. Obturating a canal with Soft-Core is not a replacement for a good cleaning, shaping, irrigation, and sterilization of the canal. You know, it's 2009 now, and I'm happy to report that, you know, of all the cases I've done, and you may think it's not true, but I absolutely insist that I have not had a failure yet with a Soft-Core filled canal that was cleaned and shaped properly. So let's go ahead and have a look at what the process is. Here we have a plastic insert that looks like a canal that we have cleaned and shaped, and let's say you're ready to obturate. What I typically do, I would leave a paper point of the correct size to the apex, and I would leave it in there as I'm getting my materials ready to obturate the canal. What is included with the Soft-Core kit are these soft verifiers, and what a verifier does is it carries your cement that I have here, and it also verifies that the obturator you're going to slip in is going to be at the apex. It's going to fill things to the apex. For example, I'm going to just take this verifier here and I'm just going to coat the inside of the canal with just enough cement to coat the walls. You do not need to put excess in or too much in. All we want to do is to coat the walls of the canal space. Now, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to put this down and I'm going to grab one of the obturators, and if we look at this plastic piece, it's at about 18 millimeters. So with the obturator and what's included, if you have a ruler you can use that, but with every kit there comes a little ruler and you can measure. I have set the rubber stop to 18 millimeters here so that we can fill it to 18 millimeters. With that in mind, I'm going to take the obturator and I'm going to make sure that the pin at the top, the metal pin which comes out, is loose. I'll demonstrate here by actually removing it from the obturator. Now the obturator itself, the gutta percha is 18 millimeters. The plastic piece is 24 millimeters. And the pin of 6 millimeters allows you to extend it probably to about 31, 32 millimeters for the longer canals. Here I want to make sure it's loose because later on when I go to remove the pin, I don't want the whole piece to come out of the canal as it's still warm. So I'm going to place this pin in so it's easy to remove, and I'm going to come over here to the heater. The new heater that Axis has is a nice small compact unit. It has a ceramic heating element at the bottom. It's wide open, so it's really easy to place the obturator into the heater. Here I am, I'm going to put it into the heater and suspend it by the handle. It's probably better to suspend it by the handle than it is suspending it by the rubber stop, because you could change your working length just like it went there. You can actually alter your working length if you let the weight of it sit on the stop. One thing I like to say about these size verifiers is they're made of the same material as the core of the obturators. So you can be sure that for example, this is a number 25, that the number 25 obturator at the tip is going to be the same. when I'm shaping the canal, typically as my final instrument, I'll use, if this is a 25, I'll use a number 30 file to just make sure that this fits really nice and loose, so that you're not going to run into trouble trying to insert the obturator to the apex. Okay. So here we are. We're going to take an obturator, and let's go back and take the obturator that I've already coated with the cement, and when this beeps, I know that this is ready, that the gutter percha is warm, and I'm going to take the obturator and simply, without twisting, just seat it straight down all the way to my working length. And then what I'm going to do, I have one here that's already set. I'm going to show you how to remove the pin and the rubber stop. What I'm going to do with my finger is to hold on to the end of the handle, and I'm just going to use cotton pliers here to stabilize the core. I'm going to move the rubber stop up. I'm going to stabilize the core with the cotton pliers and gently stem wind and twist and take the handle out. Now, why I do it this way is so that the rubber stop comes out with it, and it gives you a nice clean view if you're doing multiple canals. I mean, this is easy because we're doing one canal, but you could imagine the challenge when you have 2, 3 canals and a lot of obturators within the pulp chamber there. What I like about this is that I've done many multiple canals with great success too. It's a little bit more challenging to handle it, but the management issue is nothing compared with trying to place multiple lateral cones or to vertically condense. I find this a snap, and I really enjoy working with it. It makes endodontics a lot more fun.